Hello, everyone. Today we'll be presenting on the company Microsoft, firing the AI ethics team. Microsoft, we have questions. This video presentation is for educational purposes only. The following presentation is made by Eric Anaya, Ken Williams, Samuel Russell, Sarah Goodale for CBA 400 Business Ethics Section 02, Spring 2023. Hey AI, what do you think about this current situation?
As an artificial intelligence language model, I believe that ethical considerations should be an integral part of the development and implementation of AI systems. Here are some ways in which ethics can be implemented into AI. Ethics should be incorporated into the design process. AI developers should be trained to consider the ethical implications of their work, including potential biases, privacy concerns, and other ethical considerations. This should be done from the outset of the development process, rather than as an afterthought. AI systems should be transparent. AI systems should be designed to be transparent so that they can be audited, tested, and validated. This includes clear documentation of the algorithms used, as well as the datasets used to train the AI. Ethical principles should be built into the AI. AI systems should be designed to reflect ethical principles, such as fairness, accountability, and respect for human autonomy. This means that AI should be designed to minimize the risk of harm to humans and to respect individual rights and freedoms. AI should be subject to regulation. Governments and other regulatory bodies should be responsible for ensuring that AI is developed and implemented in a manner that is consistent with ethical principles. This may include creating laws and regulations that require AI systems to be transparent, fair, and accountable. Public engagement and dialogue. Finally, it is important to engage with the public in a dialogue about the ethical implications of AI. This will help to ensure that AI is developed and implemented in a manner that is consistent with societal values and expectations. Overall, ethical considerations should be an integral part of the development and implementation of AI systems. This will help to ensure that AI is developed and used in a manner that is consistent with ethical principles and that reflects the values of society as a whole.
Founded in 1975, they're an electronic technology company. They develop software and devices, among providing many other services. They are a corporation, so they're ran by a CEO and executive leadership team and owned by shareholders. Being one of the leading technology companies, their mission statement is to empower people to achieve more. They are the creators of the Windows operating system. They're the creators and known for creating Microsoft Office software, in addition to the Internet Explorer web browser. They donate and discount equipment to nonprofit companies to provide critical services around the world, especially in third world countries, and they have had previous issues with antitrust laws from 1990 to 2022 regarding forced inclusion of their products on their operating system. Here we have the screenshot of their filing with the Secretary of State. Here we have a screenshot of their operating bylaws. In addition, we screenshotted their code of conduct. And on their standards, the last line is focusing on what is not just best for the individual, but for the overall community.
On March 13th, Platformer broke the news that Microsoft laid off its entire ethics and society team within the artificial intelligence organization as part of recent layoffs. Although Microsoft made a statement about their commitment to develop AI safely and responsibly, the team they fired oversaw ensuring principles reflected in the AI development. To make optics worse, this news broke out only 1 week after Microsoft's newly released AI was found to be providing inaccurate answers to medical questions. The advancement of AI comes with much excitement, but also many ethical challenges. AI art creator software can replicate the style of any artist since it was taught through machine learning by using the work of these artists found online. Coding AI designed to help fill the missing parts of a code plagiarizes code written by others. Microsoft is currently under litigation for co-piloting. By applying positive business trajectory, we can see that Microsoft has headed down toward a barren trajectory. The removal of their AI ethics department is not illegal, but does violate their own code of conduct. They have specifically violated their own standard of focusing on what is best, not just for them, but for the overall community. Microsoft got rid of their AI ethics department because they viewed it as a hindrance to the AI race. Their plan to shift funds, once used for their AI ethics department, to invest in AI technology negatively affects their public-private relations by reducing the trust a consumer can have in Microsoft and AI technologies as a whole.
When applying positive business trajectory, we are looking at who will be impacted by the action, what cultural issues the action will impact, what environmental issues will the action impact, and will the action breach the implied duty of integrity. All these leading to whether or not the action is a positive or barren business trajectory. So first, there is a potential for this action to impact a wide range of people. Without ethics to put AI restrictions in place, AI can plagiarize any number of artists, writers, coders, or other content creators. If the work is on the internet, the AI will have access. AI can create a picture that looks similar to anyone's work for much cheaper than any human could produce. What would take a human hours will take the AI seconds. The cultural issues that could be impacted include decreases to human creativity and income by creativity, changing how advertising is done, and the laws that attempt to solve these issues can inadvertently limit parody and educational video production. Environmentally, AI stealing art and creating similar content would destabilize the market for artists who create prints, photos, 3D printing patterns, and other virtual art and imaging by decreasing the price point on market. The implied duty of integrity seems to be disregarded, as firing the team that keeps AI ethical will allow Microsoft to progress more quickly, feeding the program online artists' work for training without the artist's consent or compensation. If there are no rules to stop the theft of art, the AI could make new art in a person's signature style, even down to their signature. Although we believe that altogether we believe that this is a barren trajectory, because of the breach of the implied duty of integrity keeping their programs that they develop ethical. It is unethical, we believe, to reproduce others' work without disclosing the source of their inspiration, the style, and the general artwork. While there have been many who have questioned the decision to fire the ethics team, there have not been any backlash as of now. Since the AI is so new, there are few laws passed about its use, development, and the ethics behind it, so no illegal activity can be cited. And here are our sources, and thank you for listening.